Hey guys, here's my second attempt at doing a video showing you how to do surface area. I'm sorry I didn't realize that my pen wasn't working or that my screen was frozen before, so that was just a mistake. I'm going to delete that video, cut it, and add some of that piece to the end of this, okay? So I'm going to try to edit this like a professional. But anyway, let's look at the surface area of this shape here, and we're looking for the surface area. That means the area of all its surfaces, all its faces. Okay, and I want to show you guys a quick way of doing it by using the what are these things called? Just the side views, the cross sections. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. Note first that this here is think about it as if you were standing here looking at it this way. This is what you would see, okay? And then this next one, it would be you standing here looking at it this way. That's what you would see. And then the third one would be from the top, if you were hovering above looking down, that's what you would see. Okay, so how can we use those things to explain to find the surface area? Well, let's pretend that I'm right here, and I'm looking at the front, which we'll call this part the front. Okay, well, if I'm looking at it, then obviously to find the surface area of the front, I just need to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now I have to keep in mind that there is not just the front, but then there's a back that is exactly the same as this. So it's 6 plus another 6, or 6 times 2, which is 12. Great. Now let's pretend that I walk over to this side, and now I'm standing over here, and I'm looking that way. Well, then this here is what I would see. Same deal. If I want to see the area, if I want to count the area, I'd count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And again, this is the right side, but then I have to also remember that then there's a left side. On this side over here, there's a left, which is exactly the same as the front. Or I'm sorry, as the right. The left is exactly the same as the right. Therefore, not only do I have 6, I have 6 times 2, or 6 plus 6, which is 12. And finally, let's pretend that I'm flying now. I'm flying over here, and I'm looking at it this way. Well, then I would see this. Okay. Now, notice that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units from the top view, but remember too that there is a bottom. So then I don't only have 7, I have 7 plus another 7, or 7 times 2, which is 14. Okay. The big part here is this hole. Now this is where I'm going to, whoa, I don't know what happened there. I am going to try to insert the video that I had before so you guys can see this hole here and how this plays a role in the surface area. And I made this. And here we have precisely the same thing. Now it's easier for us. Let's see if I can zoom in. Oh, great, I can. Let us grab it. Okay. Notice here that we have this side here, okay, and then we have this side here. That's 2 more sides. Now, if we are to, let's see if I can manipulate this. Oh, there's another side right there. That's 3 more sides. And then let's see if I can move this. And then there's our last 4th side, right? So there are 4 sides to the hole, because this thing has a hole in the middle. As you can see it, there are Now I wish I could point to these, but there's 1, 2 here sides that make up the whole, and then there are 1, 2 more. So there's 4 extra sides that make up the total surface area of this this solid. Okay, so it's not just 12 plus 12 plus 14 units for the area. Then there is for the whole, I'm going to put it right there, for the whole there is 4 more square units. Okay, so now that we know that there are 4 things, 4 units in here, then we know that the surface area of this solid is actually 12 from here, another 12 from right here. I'll get rid of this arrow so it doesn't confuse you. And then 14 for the top and bottom. And the whole make up another 4, which is where we get, if we add these all up, we get 24 plus 14 is 38, plus 4 is 42 units squared. Okay, if my calculations are correct, then we should be back. We're going to do an example with these here, okay? We're going to find the surface area of these. Again, I'm going to stand right here. Here's me. And I'm looking this way. So if I want to find just the surface area of that side, the front, and coincidentally the back, because they're the same, I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But remember, 10 is for the front and 10 for the back. So a total of 20 units there. Now, I move from this side, and I'm standing now on this side, looking this way. Well, in that case, I'm going to have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, 15 for the left, sorry, the right. For the right side, there is 15, but then another 15 from the left side. So a total, this is from the left, so a total of 30. Okay, because the left is on this side, and it's going to be the exact same as this this other right side. Okay, and now I'm going to float up here, and I'm going to be looking at it down. Okay, well then that means I have 1, 2, 3, 4 from the top, but remember that the top is the same as the bottom, so the bottom also has 4. So together they make up 8. Okay, and so if we add the 30 and the 20 and the 8, we get 58 units squared, because it's surface area. And remember, we're trying to find the area of every face, and this is just one quick way of doing it. I'm going to let you guys try to figure this one out on your own, doing the exact, whoa, I don't know what just happened. Oh, never mind. Doing the exact same strategy. And if you can come up with a different strategy, great. But this is just, I think, the most straightforward way of doing it. Anyway, guys, I hope you have a wonderful day. Let me know if you have any more questions. Thanks.